Hey, crypto family. Hope y'all are doing good today. So, we're going to talk about the rise in Bitcoin and then a couple time frames and moving averages I'm looking at to find out where we're going from here. So, it's been a couple days since I made a video. We had this crazy rise in Bitcoin. I couldn't believe it. It went to a high of $10,540. Since then, we've kind of been bouncing, and I've drawn this symmetrical triangle here on the 1 hour chart. So you can see right now the resistance is at about 9,700, and then the support is about 9,200. So 97 to 92, we're probably bouncing this range for a little bit. But again, look for it if it breaks either direction. Look for it to spike to the upside or to the downside. So right now, that strong support we're looking at is that 8,800 level. Remember, on the hourly chart, this 8,800 was this previous high that we got to that we could not break before we actually broke above it and to the upside. So again, looking at this 8,800, if we do cross this 9,200 level for a possible buyback, and then if we do break this 9,700, looking to retest this $10,000 level that was starting to act as resistance as we started to break above it. So again, those are some levels I'm looking at right now. And you can see right now the 50-day moving average is still steadily trending higher than the 128-day and 200. And then also the RSI is neither overbought nor oversold. So again, it could really go either direction here. Now, the next chart, I have three moving averages. They're actually the 7-day, the 77-day, and then the 231-day here on the bottom. Now, on the hourly, you can see the 7-day is actually crossing under the 77-day. Now, that does indicate bearish action, but you can see here there is a green candle. So then that tells you, okay, let's go ahead and dig a little bit deeper to lower time frame, see what's going on. So you can see here on the 30-minute, it's starting to curve around for the 7-day, indicating possible bullish momentum if we can cross this 7-day. Now, 77-day, sorry. And then on this 15-minute here, we can see that the 7-day is very, very close to crossing over the 77 and 231-day moving averages. Now, these moving averages I've been seen to be very reliable. So these three different time frames, make sure to add these. And again, with this 7-day crosses over either of these, then that is very bullish. So on the 15-minute, we can see it's very close to that. So we could see this price rise if that continues. And then it's just scrolling down a little bit more to the 5-minute. You can see it's already crossed and it's staying above it. So if it can stay above these averages, they're looking very, very bullish. Now, next we're going to go over a lot of other indicators that I do have. So on that 1 hour here, we're going to talk about the whale's buy-sell indicator. So you can see it flashed a buy on this hourly candle. So that is very bullish. We got a small green dot here. The light blue wave is converging for the blue wave, dark blue wave, indicating positive momentum shift. Now on this Wolfpack ID indicator here, you can see it's almost going to cross over this white line. There, it just crossed right there, indicating very bullish momentum. So again, we could have some continued upside here. So possibly looking at that, and you can see right now it is starting to rise a little bit. So looking at this 95 to 9600 level short term. Now, looking further on the 4 hour, the 4 hour did flash a sell signal, but keep in mind that the 4 hour has not taken into account the 1 hour candle that's happening right now. So again, there is bullish momentum on this 1 hour candle, which is why we're seeing a little price action increase. Now the 4 hour though, longer term, we do have a small red dot. And again, we do have the Wolfpack ID still under the white line, but is very close to crossing above the white line. So we could have some bullish reversal here again for the 4 hour. And then for the daily candle, we actually have a buy signal here on the daily chart, and that was a buy at 7,800. So about $7,900, we got this buy here, and it hasn't flashed a sell yet. So you can see it's been a while since it's flashed a sell. So very, very long time frames this measures. So again, when it does flash a sell, then you can imagine in the next couple of days we could see some bearish action. But right now we're still ascending on this light blue wave here. So it has not crossed to the downside yet, indicating still positive momentum. But this Wolfpack ID has started to curve over, indicating that if we do not increase soon, then we could continue to go to the downside. But right now you can see bullish action here at 94.54 continuing to rise. So we're going to see if that continues forward. Now looking at these indicators here on Tradingview, you can see for the summary on the 1 day, summary is a buy, moving averages are a strong buy, oscillators are neutral. Going to the 4 hour, everything's a buy and a strong buy. The 1 hour, strong buy for the summary. And then a 15-minute, again looking buy and strong buy. Same for the 5 and for the 1 minute. So nearly everything right now is a buy. Now, if we look at the week, oscillators are sell, the other twos are buy, and then the month, everything's a buy. So almost everything is flashing buy right now. So again, if the market makers really wanted to liquidate a lot of people or mess a lot of people up, then they would dump the price right now. So again, keep that in mind. If you're thinking about entering stops, then some possible levels to look out for is You can see here now possibly looking, I mentioned, if you are in a long right now, looking possibly at this 9,200 level, but here low we got to is 9180, so possibly 9170, setting a little bit lower than this candle that spiked down a couple hours ago. That could be a safer stop, and then possibly buy back around 8800. But again, this is not financial advice, just my opinion. So if y'all enjoyed this video, please give it a like, comment, and please subscribe if you haven't. Appreciate all my viewers. Thank you so much for watching. Till next time.